Hello! Welcome to the very first episode of Good Life TV. I'm your host, Christina Galiotto, and today we're having a party. Woo! Today, it's a barbecue, end of summer barbecue. And it gets better. It's a vegan barbecue. They say it can't be done, but we know that it can. I have so many good recipes that I've prepared. I have a whole barbecue chapter in my Gatherings book, and I'm very excited to share all of this food with my meat-eating friends. Most of the work is done. All the fun stuff is still to do, light candles, put out flowers, and wait for people to arrive. The drinks are cold and the music is on, so let's do it.
You can win the big dollar if you get to it.
First charcuterie board. All right, so I have the guys firing up the grill. So we're gonna move on to the side dishes. This is a big part of any barbecue, as we know. It's not all about the entree, it's about the coleslaw. At least for me it is. So this can be eaten as a coleslaw, but what we're really doing with this today is we're gonna put it on a hot dog with barbecue sauce. I haven't tried this before, but tell me that sounds as good to you as it does to me. So risky not to try it first, but I'm confident. And the coleslaw is amazing. It's a little bit of a kick, but it's great. Next up, a kind of classic potato salad. Everything here I just picked up at the farmer's market the other day. It's probably half potato, half vegetables. The secret ingredient, well, not so secret, the key ingredient is sugar snap peas. You don't see that in too many potato salads, and that's one of the reasons I love this. It's like a crispy, crunchy, fresh, it's amazing. And of course, the usual suspects, carrots and celery. This is hopefully a winner. Like I said, later when people are eating, I want honest feedback. I'm only gonna share the good stuff, and I can't wait to hear what they say about this. This one is definitely in the book. It's a fact already. Next up, let me stir this first, make it look. You can't really have a barbecue without barbecue baked beans. This is something I will be eating drunk at night with tortilla chips. I can foresee that happening, and last time I made this on 4th of July, that's exactly what happened. This is delicious. I used a vegan bacon, which I don't usually do. I try not to use processed vegan meat, but to please a crowd, I thought maybe they would want some bacon. It's good, but next time I would omit it. And this is also definitely in the book without the bacon. Easy, easy, simple green salad. This is just green leaf lettuce, cucumbers, and heirloom tomatoes. Store-bought Italian dressing, and it's a must. You need to have some greens. It doesn't have to be complicated. This is gonna be the good stuff. So this goes on the grill, but I'll show it to you now because it's prettier before it's cooked. Ooh! So these are tofu fajita kebab with chili jalapeno rub, and I found purple peppers. And I felt like that was so perfect for the end of summer, purple and green. This just looks cool. And once it's cooked, whew, it's so good. I've made these 3 times this summer. One with a vegan chicken, one with mushrooms, and this time with tofu. You can use even salmon. I'm trying to have options. You can kind of just do what feels right for you. I know this would be good with salmon, real chicken, like whatever you want. Today we did tofu, and I know it's gonna be a hit. I'm confident. I'm putting together a little grilled corn salad. I made the dressing yesterday. It's a hot honey lime. So these are fresh from the grill. Okay, so we're gonna put in 2 avocados and some cilantro. I'm not reinventing the wheel here, but in case people don't know, this is how you cut an avocado with the skin on. Cilantro. Good food really doesn't have to be hard. That's one of the messages of this channel. Get these, make it easy. That's how you make it sustainable, making it easy. I think that looks good. So I'm just gonna stir this up. And, of course, my amazing dressing. I think I'm gonna put all of this. Oh, yes. Hot honey lime. Smell that. Okay. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good.
3?
3 to start.
Okay.
What you doing back there, sweet pea? What's my little monkey doing over there? Mustard. Okay, so this is your regular vegan hot dog. It doesn't look like much, but we're gonna dress it up with a little barbecue sauce. You could barbecue this on the grill, but I didn't want to mess, so we're just gonna do it like this and top it with the coleslaw. Now, if I was to be eating this, I would put a ton of coleslaw. And that's it. Another winner, very easy. This coleslaw can be eaten plain, you know, like as a salad, or right on here. I can't wait to see what happens to this bowl by the end of the night. Will there be any left? I don't know. We'll see.
Get out of the way. What is it? I'll try the.
I don't know how many of you know this or not, but I do not like to bake. There's 3 things I don't like to do in the kitchen. Dishes, duh, baking, and opening any twist-off lid. We won't get into that, but yeah, I despise it. This cake, however, does not need to be baked. This is a s'mores icebox cake. It's so easy. It's marshmallow cream, whipped cream, marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate. It's so easy to veganize. It turns out great every time.
Crushing?
Nice, cheers.
Cheers.